Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Matt, and before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. All right, now in this review, I'm going to talk about Texbot AI. All right, and then there's going to be different free training. I'm going to show you how to get free traffic, and then I'm going to show you some paid traffic as well too. All right, now we're going to just go down the list. This is the dashboard in the back office pretty much. All right. Now to get your link, you just click on this link here, and then you'll get your presentation link, or you could drive them directly to another website. It's a kind of like a smaller presentation. This one's more of a webinar. Right now, if you want to promote this offline or on Craigslist, they give out a free number as well too. All right, and that's my number right there. All right, now this pays out $100 commissions. All right, now there is Ava Plus for $500. You get that. That's more tools and different training with that one, of course. All right, get presentation leads. All right, and these are all the people who've opted in. Let's see. And they got their own Facebook group. Let's see here. Go back up here. All right, now I'm going to show you how to set up your profile. You go to my profile. And that's put in all your contact information right there. And then the payment method. And so they have PayPal. You put in your email address, Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay. You have all that information there. Right now, so there's different ways to get traffic to it. I am a part of Leads Leap. It's a free traffic source. It's free and paid traffic. All right, I do pay for the subscription to get more traffic to the website. So if you want to post free ads, you have to surf ads. You get points. You're gonna go ahead and enter in your URL here. You have to enter in the title and the text. All right, and then the relevant image. All right, and then save as draft or save and submit. What I do though is I'm a pro member, so I go down here for $20 a month. You get more visits, and so far I've gotten almost over 2,000 visits, and I am getting opt-ins. I got over 43 opt-ins from just this alone. Well, this and YouTube, because I'm promoting it on YouTube as well. So this does work with the traffic exchanges as well. And I came across another website. This is done for you solos, and they have different packages. So they have the Opal, that's 200 clicks for $160. They have Jade, which is 500 clicks. And here's the processing time for all the packages. Sapphire, 1,000 clicks for $780. Ruby, 2,500 clicks. Emerald, 5,000 clicks for $3,800. And Diamond, 10,000 clicks for $7,500. Right, and of course they got Udemy Udemy solo ads. You just click on find sellers. All right, now you have to be careful with this. So what I would do is just pick the ones with the most popular one and the most reviews on it, and with the most sales too. If it's above 40%, then they're good. If they're below, I would say, yeah, I guess, yeah, right around 40, 42%. If it's below 40, like this guy right here, 37 and 730 thumbs up, I wouldn't go for him. All right, but there's plenty of different traffic sources. There's YouTube as well. So like I'm posting different times, um, different reviews on Textbot AI, and I am getting leads off of that as well. All right, and there's a lot of people making money off it as well too. Right now, if I go here to the Facebook group, so this person here, Troy, he got another $100 payment on the way. Some people have made over $40,000. And like this gentleman here, Eric, he's made over $40,000 in the group. All right, another one, Jeff Ruiz, he made 4,000 in sales. And just he put here this tool right here is a solid 2 weeks and 44,100 so far. Just drive traffic constant, and the results will come in, which is he's correct about that. All right, now that was some of my training on how to drive traffic. Now, if you are interested in joining, just click the link below or text that number in the description. All right, thank you for tuning in and have a good one.